माय चैनल, लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर बटन। तो आज हम बात करेंगे जंक्शन डायोड का हमारे क्वेश्चन जो क्लास 12 का है। व्हाट पीएन जंक्शन डायोड व्हेन ए पी टाइप क्रिस्टल एंड एन टाइप क्रिस्टल आर joined by some special method, device is formed PN junction diode. What are p-type semiconductor when trivalent atom aluminum are added to lattice of tetravalent semiconductor, for example gallium and 3 covalent bond. Each gallium atom are filled in fourth remains an empty space. This empty space absence of electron is a hole. In the lattice there are many positive charge holes is called p. What are n-type semiconductors? When a pentavalent impurity atom, for example arsenic, are added to tetravalent semiconductors, for example gallium, in a crystal lattice 4-5 valence electron each impurity of atom from covalent bond with a gallium atom, and fifth electron remain free as a charge carrier. Such semiconductor having the negative charge carriage is called N. What do you mean by p-n junction? The contact point P and N crystal is called p-n junction. Why it is called diode? Because it has two electrons can allow current flow in one direction. How the current change with the increasing voltage in the forward biasing. The current increasing rapidly with increasing voltage. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7वां दिया है, in the reverse biasing the current is measured. In forward biasing, if large voltage is applied, then what will happen? Due to high current will be get damaged by the heat developed. In reverse biasing, the current is measured in the micro, while in the forward biasing, it is measured in milliampere. While forward biasing, the current increasing rapidly with increasing of voltage, measured in milliampere. If in a reverse biasing, the current most part is very small, therefore it is measurement in the microampere. How the current change with the increasing voltmeter in the forward biasing? The current increasing rapidly with increasing voltage. What is diode? Two electrode can be allow current to flow in one direction only.